How to face the Facebook not loading. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Facebook not loading. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. Make sure you go on the Google Play Store and install and update the latest version of Facebook. But if it's not loading, then what you can simply do is you can go to your Facebook application, long press on the Facebook, tap on the eye icon, scroll down and tap on the storage option right here. Now you need to clear the cache and clear the data further, and go back and force stop and uninstall your Facebook application. You can also restart your phone after that. Now when you go on the Google Play Store, simply install the latest version of Facebook once again, and now when you open your Facebook, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is not solved, then you can simply go on the help center of the Facebook and state your problem that your Facebook is not loading properly, and then the Facebook will send you feedback after few days with solution whatever you can do. So yes, that's one of the solution that you can also use if it does not work, but this should work. And if it works, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.